Hello and welcome back to Roy's the Boy. Now for you today I'm going to show you how to change the door seal on this Indesit XWA 91683 washing machine. And so if this is your first time to this channel, please, you may want to subscribe to the channel and hit the grey notification bell, and then you'll be told when I'm going to be doing another video. So let's go and get on with it and show you how to do it. So the first thing I would suggest that you do is start it off is unplug the machine from the mains, and if you can turn off the water supply as well, or even if you can take off the water inlet for your hose as well. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take this lid off because it will need doing. And what else I'm going to do as well, I'm also going to take this door off by taking these two screws here. So I've got plenty of room to move around and to get this old seal off. Now the reason why I'm changing this door seal is two things really. Is the first one, it is got a split in it, and also it's got a bit mouldy and dirty on the inside of the seal. So the first thing we have to do is get this. There's a band on the front of the seal, so it's just a little hook inside there, and then just pull this band where it springs off, and then we'll pull this all the way off, like so. And then gently just pull this off there. There is a little lip where that will sit on there, and we'll show you that when we put the old one back on. I mean the new one back on, I should say. And then you just push that through. And then we'll show you now on the top how to get the inside band off. So what you have to do now is you have to get this inner spring off, and you do that by putting your hand inside and pulling this back and pushing your fingers inside there and just pushing off nice and slowly all the way around. Until it comes off, nice and gently, until the whole thing just starts to come out. Like so. And then just take the old spring off the old seal, and then we're ready to put the new one back on. And also to help the new seal go on to the machine itself, just inside there, just lubricate inside there with some washing up liquid. That's all it is. It just helps it slide onto it nicely. Now when you put these new seals back on, they can only really go one way, because you've got on the inside of the rubber, you've got this little bit of lip there, and just inside the machine there, where that sits inside there, and it's also got holes at the bottom, so in there, so then you can't really go wrong. So we push this into there first, like so, and then push the whole thing inside, like so. So once you've pushed this little bit lip in there, all you do is you just push that round so it sits onto there, and you do that all the way around until it's back on. Right, so now we've got to put this inner retaining spring on. So the easiest way I found is just fold the whole seal inside. Can be a bit tricky, just to make it stay there. Like so. Right, and then just start putting this spring, the wire, inside there, and just making sure that you feed it underneath all the way around. Also pushing it in from the top over the lip, making sure that it's got inside like it has there, and then start pushing it through a bit more, and then we'll go from the top and we'll show you what's there. So hold in part there, and then just gently folding it, feeding it through all the way around. And then pushing over the top. It can be a bit tricky at first. We'll hold that bit there. And like so. Right, so now we've got to put this outer retaining clip on. I have put the inner retaining clip on. Make sure we get those ones right. So all we do is we pull these back here now, and then what you've got to do is get this little lip over the top of there. So we'll start putting that on over there, all the way around. Like so. Now to put the spring back in, is this was going to this side there, so then we'll start pulling this in into the lip, all the way around. And then we start at the top here as well. Just by pushing it over with your finger. And then like so, and it's done. So the other thing I've got to do now is got to put the door on, I'll put the lid on, and then I'll come back to you when it's done. So there you have it on this Indesit washing machine with the door seal all replaced and done. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you if you have to do your own one. And that's all there is on this one. If you did like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that grey notification bell, and then you'll be told when I'm doing another one. So until next time, cheerio.